yeah, we're still driving. Red light.
Garmin, say. Garmin, say.
Apparently, a special prosecutor convened a grand jury on Monday of this week in secret on a holiday and then got the grand jury to decline to file any criminal charges against all of the officers involved. This is the same.
I don't know you, but I want to. And I don't want to steal your freedom. I don't want to change your mind. I don't have to.
A girl is so content, so your girl a prima donna. I need that put me on the throne type of
Like that.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Get off the phone!
Make it look like a sort of local network shift. Something like that. Skippy mused. That is clever and innovative tactical thinking, Williams. Although you would realize it is also a horribly bad idea if you had all the facts. The answer is no, we should not do anything like that. Having more wormholes behaving oddly is a guarantee of the senior...
You. Yeah, do it. Come on, bud. Come on. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dash cam, buddy. Dash cam. Dash cam. Dash cam. Dash cam. Come on. Come on. Come on.